Hi, welcome back to Around the House with Cheryl. Today we hitting the drawers. I'm going to clean out my spice drawer. I got some contact paper from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Okay guys, you can see here my drawer is a little partly organized, but I'm going to be taking everything out and I'm going to be wiping down the inside of the drawer. And I do try to keep this particular drawer organized, just so I can find the spices that I need when I am cooking. So I've gotten everything out, and I have this Lysol wipe. And sometimes things spill in the drawer. I think I had some vanilla that was in here that the top wasn't on all the way, and it did spill. And you're going to see how dirty the inside of the drawers. You'd be amazed, especially with spices. Sometimes the tops may not be on all the way, or somebody else goes in there and spills or moves something. But anyway, let's take a look at how dirty the inside of this drawer is, y'all. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to dry it out because I want to make sure the paper's dry when I put it in there. Okay, I have the paper. This is the paper that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It's something like magic contact paper. It really is, guys. It's very easy to work with. Well, a few crumbs there. Let me put them in the trash. You know they didn't hardly make it in the trash can. Okay, so as you know, if you follow me, I don't measure anything. I don't know why I don't, but I don't. So I got it all cleared out, and I could measure this, but the way the paper is not going to go all the way to the back, and I'm not putting in an extra piece because I'm lazy like that. But I'm just going to kind of roll it out and fold it, and then I'm going to just bend it where I think it goes and then cut it. Okay, I guess I wasn't sure. I'd rather have extra than not enough. And I don't mind that it goes up the side a little bit. That way, if something does spill, it won't go under the paper. Unless, of course, it's in the back of the drawer. And if you haven't tried this paper, I highly recommend it. I had been saying for years I was going to buy it, and I didn't. And then I finally said, let me redo my drawers. I recently picked up, I think, 6 or 8 more rolls of this. So I'm going to try to do every drawer in my kitchen that I can reach. Anyway, drawer or cabinet. Any high cabinets I'm not going to bother with. I do need to take some stuff out though and wipe the cabinets down. Okay. You could see I'm just trying to place it where I want it, and then before I smooth it out. And I had to adjust it a few times, as you can see. Nope, I don't like that. Nope, too short. Oh, nope. What? Oh, what in the world? Okay, I said it was easy because you can see how easy I can lift it up and then just put it back down. It's not going to be perfectly smooth. I'm not worried about that because I don't have time for that. But anyway, you see I got it down. There's a few little wrinkles, but like I said, I'm not worried about that because this is a drawer for protection and no one will really see what's inside the drawer. I mean the paper anyway, because my spices are going to be on top of them. So I'm just going to go and start putting all these spices back in here. And I will show you another drawer that I tackled. One where I have my large utensils. That one came out pretty good, but I think it's time for me to restock my large utensils. They're used, and some of them I don't even use, like the plastic ones, which I'll show you. So I try to line them up. I put the stuff in the far back, the stuff that I hardly ever use, but it might be something that might be needed in a recipe. So I need to start using some of these more. And I don't know expiration date on spices. If you do know, let me know in the comments below. Because y'all know I'm a hoarder and I don't get rid of nothing. So might be using a spice that really doesn't work in the recipe. Like these marjoram leaves. What I got those for? Now I have used cream of tartar before for like making what do you call it? It's like a frosting, a royal icing frosting or something like that. Or Cool Whip, I forget what it was I bought that for. But anyway, I have it. It's expensive, so I don't have a big bottle of it. And these little ones, I'm just lining them up. And don't even look at my stove. That's another project. It's horrible. Because we be popping grease, y'all. I need something else to fry in. And so there's a few things in here that I'm just going to throw away. That I don't need it. Okay. I think it's looking good. What do y'all think? Like I said, don't look at my stove. And if you haven't, I have a video called How to Clean Greasy Grates. Hey, I'll link it. But hey, look how neat it came out. And I think the paper is perfect. And here, let me show you this other drawer. This is my other utensil drawer. I did have this one little container. I should have gotten two. I may have to look for another one. But I cleaned that all out, and I put this paper in, and I put the utensil holder back in. And this is how I organized this drawer. So I hope you enjoyed my organizing series, decluttering, that kind of thing. And if you do, be sure to like it. It helps my channel, and I truly appreciate it. And let's see. So there you have it. We hit the drawers, and we're going to be hitting some more drawers, and I'll show you how I'm going to be cleaning up for the spring and decluttering some of this mess around here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helped my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you think someone else would like this kind of content. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.